Hello, and welcome back to Cardano Coin, where we bring you the most recent and intriguing ADA news. We're giving away 1,000 ADA to those who are watching. All you have to do is upvote, subscribe, comment Cardano is king, and watch the video to the end to be eligible. The winners will be picked next month and publicized on the community page of the channel. Even while many Layer 1 initiatives are rising up to compete with Ethereum, only a small number of them can genuinely compete with Ethereum, at least in terms of market value and network effects. It's possible that an upgrade war will decide the outcome of the dispute between Ethereum and Cardano. From the really difficult fork to the vassal, it will be interesting to observe how ADA affects the network and how we can endanger Ethereum's existence. Taking into account Cardano's restrictions, is it certain that the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization will be traded? Many networks and products in history have worked to promote interoperability and have succeeded technically without changing the market share model. In the domain of blockchain, a similar tendency is present. Prices are now at the forefront of all conversations and worries due to the present volatility in the crypto market. If we apply reasoning to this, it appears to be an unjust means of excluding other subjects from the spotlight. Zooming in on hourly or daily candles frequently makes it challenging to see the broader picture and celebrate the work and advancement that have been taking on in the crypto industry behind the scenes, especially in cryptocurrencies like Cardano that a sizable portion of the crypto market loves. Cardano is on a successful path. The persistent network of focused research has been expanding quickly. Charles Hoskinson, the head of Cardano, has never been afraid to express his upbeat view of cryptocurrency. He claimed that the company's production has reached a degree of prominence thanks to years of research and development and referred to Cardano as one of the best cryptocurrencies available. Anyone can be thrilled about Cardano because it offers so many appealing features. When you look past the coin's worth and price, you will see that its streaming benefits are already sufficient to unseat Ethereum following 5 years. Cardano was developed to transfer electricity to individuals using cutting-edge technology with decentralized applications, and it is supported by an exceptional team of developers. Cardano prides itself on being the first cryptocurrency platform to be built on peer-reviewed research and empirical methodologies. Soon enough, Cardano was offered a smart contract to the site, which brought the cryptocurrency to a flurry of interest. Cardano, a top 10 cryptocurrency project, was able to immediately compete with Ethereum for fresh market share when the Alonzo hard fork was implemented. Donald has also managed to survive this market turbulence and is still listed as a top 10 cryptocurrency project. Cardano is ready for the next round of support. There will be a bull run, and when investors pour into exchanges in the coming months, Cardano ADA will stand out. The rise of the cryptocurrency industry has also been aided by this theorem. In order to move humanity toward a future with more decentralized financial services, functionality that Ethereum has mainly pioneered is crucial. Due to the innovation, experimentation, and development tools used by Ethereum, he has gained a lot of respect. However, it has also been acknowledged that a project like Cardano, which is more adaptable, allows all this innovation to be improved upon and absorbed more readily. Ethereum's price dropped after the network's much anticipated upgrade known as the merge was completed. Despite the successful merge, which aims to convert the Ethereum network from an energy-intensive proof of work consensus to a proof of stake one, Ethereum fell more than 7 below its $1,500 ceiling. The Nasdaq Composite in particular is moving in sync with traditional markets, as predicted by experts, and they continue to be optimistic about Ethereum as chances pairs combine. With the continuance of inflation, the Fed is striving to control inflation by establishing the fact that his priority is centered on combating inflation before attempting a safe landing. Cryptocurrencies, like Ethereum, are risky investments vulnerable to volatility. Recent inflation data have increased investors' concerns that the Fed will probably raise rates. Except for Ethereum, according to crypto specialists, there hasn't been much institutional investment in the cryptocurrency markets due to greater inflation into cryptocurrency markets due to greater inflation and decreased liquidity. And because of what it might bring to the Web3 area, there is a lot of enthusiasm over Ethereum merging. However, a well-known cryptocurrency analyst offered some insight into what might lie ahead for both Cardano and Ethereum in August. 443,000 YouTube users have been monitoring Cardano ADA to the leading smart contract platform Ethereum, according to the anonymous Invest Answers host. Currently, Ethereum is losing ground to everything, but in this case, the ADA each pair has fallen by 68. Zooming out can help you understand what is happening more clearly in some situations. The level of 0.025, which should be roughly the bottom for Cardano, looks like it's putting in a very strong effort. He said that he called attention to the vessel hard fork, which had been experiencing ongoing difficulties at the time, stressing that it was a significant issue that might flip the choice to trade Ethereum here if the hard fork for Cardano is successful and adoption picks back up. An opportune time will come to essentially convert your Ethereum into Cardano. He said that if it goes on a run, this forecast has not been realized, and Dogecoin threw Ethereum Cardinal to position 9 instead of flipping it. So, what exactly is going on? Cardano will soon exceed Ethereum in terms of market cap and users, claims Bitboy Crypto. On October 15, he tweeted, and emphasized the frailty of Ethereum, which would work to Donald's favor. The lengthy roadmap for the full implementation of Ethereum 2.0 turns out to be this flaw. On October 25, Cardano reacted to this tweet. The bar is rising rapidly. Investors who had been discouraged for a sizable portion of the year received a welcome boost from the swings in equity in the crypto markets. These actions were taken amid hopes that the Federal Reserve would slow its exorbitant rate of interest rate increases. Forward motion. The shifting pillars of the blockchain market can be a terrible place, even for the most experienced person in cryptocurrency speculating. It's that time of year again when very genuine frights could be in store for some cryptocurrencies. Even the crypto powerhouse Ethereum has been unable to weather the storm. The coin is down more than 70 from its historic peak last year. This is in contrast to how the global stock markets have generally spiraled in value over the recent years. Experts' expectations of adopting the theory as it appeared were dashed as the price's value plummeted. Long-term investors won't find much solace in these anxious events, but perhaps next year will be better for Ethereum as his technical investments mature and are completely embraced. Cardano can be used with the same approach. Drum is more like the industry leader and is most likely to remain so for a very long time. With this, many people came to the conclusion that Ethereum will be assassins like Cardano ADA, which was viewed as the zombie blockchain but is still technically alive. Sadly, if it continues to be a lender and the leading smart contract platform, Cardano has no chance of flipping Ethereum. There have been numerous attempts to kill Ethereum, but none of them have been successful in doing so. Many of these so-called Ethereum killers promise speedier, lower-cost transactions, but they have fewer active developers, and other blockchains downplay decentralization. Ethereum's Spaver makes a valid point, but Cardano also gains from its advantages. Numerous crypto projects and media outlets have acknowledged the idea of an Ethereum killer, but many retail investors simply laugh them off. Ethereum has continued to reign as the undisputed king of dApps. Thus, it is not their fault. But that is no longer the case. When DeFi began to take center stage in 2020, hurting the Ethereum network and exposing its scalability flaws, and by 2021, despite their protests, the NFTs finally contributed to the already crowded Ethereum network, forcing them to bear gas costs. Many people think of the Theory network's issues as stepping stones to Cardano's grandeur. When Ethereum poses real threats, maybe its worst threat, the network is seen to be in jeopardy. Many people think that this long-running initiative, with an Ethereum co-founder in charge of its operations, is the logical successor to the theory of throne. But following the launch of his Cogent smart contract, things went awry, and the value and acceptance of rival Layer 1 coins kept rising. However, Cardano is one of the few Layer 1 blockchains that do not sacrifice the other qualities in favor of scalability, and it has a similar broad vision for the future with Ethereum, which is supported by its sizable and devoted community. The get it right first time method is also preferred by the network's development methodology in order to minimize mistakes. It is uncertain whether ADA can surpass the current market cap, let alone flip the coin, but with numerous faults affecting the Ethereum system, Cardano may have a chance to surge. However, if the basics are good, a turnaround should occur quickly. Of course, what do you think about this? Comment below with your thoughts and let us know. In the following video, we'll see you. Watch our earlier films to learn how Cardano was achieving his goal of being the Ethereum killer, but before that, be careful to always click the subscribe and notification buttons.